guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be video number 4 of our series of our homeschool makeover. So we still have a lot to do. As you can see, the room is looking a little bit better. So most of the stuff is there underneath the table and on the table that we have to put away. But things are coming along, you guys. I still have to get some stuff put away there and up there, and I have a lot left. My sister's on her way. So I'm gonna get started before she gets here and kind of get a little bit of the stuff put away or in the garage where it needs to go, because I'm gonna have to organize the stuff that's in the garage. But I don't want to do that until the air quality is a little bit better, because as you know, there's fires everywhere and it's really smoky here. So I mean, I literally smell the smoke in my house, and my heart goes out to everybody that's affected by the fires that are going around right now. So we've been praying for them, and so that I won't record. I'll be doing that at a later time, but we will be working on the rest of the room today. I'm hoping most of it gets done. We don't get my niece's desk for a few days, so that we can't do, but I do want to at least get this mess picked up. We have a whiteboard to put together, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so now my sister brought over some of her games here. She has her microscope and her microscope slides. We have some more kits that we're gonna be working through. My son's little robot letter alphabots. I'm gonna be putting these inside of the case over here. Try to organize that for all the games. So I have reorganized this about 20 times. And I'm probably gonna keep reorganizing it another 20 times. So, not sure how I wanna do it yet, but this keeps closing on me. Stay. Okay, so my son's stuff, maybe I will stick right here. Maybe I'll put the handle outward. Can you guys see what I'm doing, kind of? Maybe I will turn you more like that. So, I used to make jewelry with beads a lot, and I had this little jewelry bead case, and this is where I put all of our manipulatives in. It work or fit. And so whenever the kids need to do math, they can always come to this little case here and grab the whole thing and use whatever they would like. So that's a pretty cool little storage container to use. That is done for now. It's not perfect, but that will do. So one thing is done. So I'm gonna start putting in all of her school supplies in here for the girls. So flashcards, extra paper, composition books, things like that. Isn't this a fancy little bag? Recycling bags. What was in this before?
A little tent thing.
It was a little tent. Yep. Use what you have, guys. Use what you have. just random art supplies, things that need to go into the carts for my daughter and son, because each one of the kids are going to have their own individual rolling cart with their art supplies and just some of their school supplies that they need. So I'm just going to try to organize this. This is basically things for morning basket, or if they're waiting on us, or if they're done before the other kids, they could pull out something from this basket and work on it until everyone's done with school. But it's more fun stuff. It's not schoolwork. Nothing like a sweet treat break. This is, what is it? Spumoni ice cream. It's so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. The flavors are pistachio, cherry, and chocolate. Delicious. So this is gonna be my daughter's cart. This is what she uses. Loaded up, but it's not organized, so I will still be doing something. All right, you guys, so it is the end of the evening and we've been at it off and on all day long between taking care of the kids and food and organizing and taking breaks, and I think that we've done pretty good. That cabinet's pretty well packed. That's pretty well done. We're still waiting on the desk. This is pretty much done. My daughter's desk area is pretty much done. We have my son's cart, my daughter's cart. We are still reorganizing these because we have other things to put in them. And then my oldest niece has this stuff. She has her cart to do. It's not here yet, hasn't been delivered. Our bookshelf's pretty much done. Don't mind the light here. So that's basically the room so far. We still have carts to do. We have a whiteboard to do. We have just multiple things to hang up on the walls and decorate with. It is past my kids' bedtimes. They're tired. I'm tired. So I'm ready to close out this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. You guys be blessed always, and I hope to see you back on my channel.